Oh, be careful.
Yeah, like
Oh. Dito na kami sa bahay ng biyanan. Tong snow na to, wala na siyang planong huminto. Gusto niyo ba tumira dito sa Canada? Winter ay sobrang haba. Say tabi po.
the clouds are gonna grab you and pull you up.
Camping! Winter, spring, summer, fall camping. Last year, tour tayo. Oh, and we are now going someplace. Ganda ng buhok ni Lance pagkatapos mag-swimming.
By the way, mommy suggested Lance should do it.
Wow! Ganda ng hair.
No, it's not. You're gonna have hair. Show cookie.
Si Cookie ah. At nandito na nga po tayo ngayon sa dumpster. Isa ito sa dahilan kung bakit ang tax sa Canada ay sobrang grabing laki. I-check nyo po o sa mga kung may kamag-anak kayong nasa Canada, itanong nyo kung magkano yung kinakaltas sa kanila sa trabaho sa tax. Hindi siya kapani-paniwala. Pero may system naman kasi. So kapag summer, dito makakakuha ka ng lupa na pwede mong pananim at mulch na pwede mong ipantabon sa mga pananim mo. At dito rin nasusort out lahat ng basura. Anyways, yung lupa at mulch ay libre. Yung pagtapon ng langis na pag nagluto tayo o change oil, pag tinapon mo yon ay libre din. Pero 'pag nagtapon ka na ng mga basura o appliances, papasok ka dito sa pinasukan naming gate at pagkatapos ang mangyayari ay titimbangin yung sasakyan mo at paglabas mo kung ilan ang kilo na nabawas sa sasakyan mo ay yun ang ibig sabihin yun yung bigat na babayaran mo. So, babayaran mo siya 'pag nagtapon ka ng basura, appliances, yung mga ceramic tulad ng mga bathtub, ng, toilet, yun, mga kahoy, dito siya mapupunta.
And it's gonna get to the point where people are just gonna start dumping their garbage.
Why is scavenging prohibited?
Why not? Are they
Go dumpster, but no time.
that weird?
Go dumpster, but no time.
Oh, be careful. Oh. You're in a very dangerous position.
Oh, I'm in dangerous situation. That's not fun.
At isa nga po sa mga pinakaunang vlog ko ay Let's Go Dumpster but no diving. At sa vlog na yon ay talagang naipakita ko yung itsura ng dumpster. Na sa vlog na yon si Mushi nagtapon muna siya ng change oil, yung ginamit niya at yung mantika sa bahay. At mas na-tour ko kayo doon. Kaya please check out po yung vlog na Let's Go Dumpster but no diving. At ma-share ko na rin dahil nga dito tayo sa dumpster ngayon. Yung mga iba rito na tinatapon ng mga appliances at ibang mga basura, mga furniture ay talagang magagamit mo pa. May ipinagbabawal dito na kuhanin mo siya. Mahigpit na mahigpit siyang ipinagbabawal. Once na yung mga tao dito ay dinala na yung mga basura nila dito. Kasi makikita nyo yan yung sa tapunan ng TV, makikita nyo yung mga TV o stereo na pwede pang magamit. Yung iba pa, bawal na talaga siya. Hindi na siya pwedeng kuhanin. Ito namang area na to, pag nagbukas yan, magstay kayo dyan at diba nung umpisa kinilo yung sasakyan. Tapos dyan naman, kikiluhin uli yung sasakyan kung gaano ang nabawas. Ang flat rate dito ay $12. Hindi lang $12 ang babayarin mo kasi nga, 'di ba, kung kung ilan yung nabawas sa sasakyan mo, yun yung babayaran mo. So yun yung saysay kung bakit natitimbang yung sasakyan. Yan makikita niyo yung sa monitor. Ipapakita niya kung magkano yung dapat mong bayaran. So, comment down below po sa mga taga-ibang bansa dyan, ano ang sistema pagdating sa basura. Pag sinabi ko pong basura, yung malawakan, yung langis, sasakyan, langis ng bahay, yung earth o pangtanim, yung mulch, yung recycling. Pwede ka rin ditong magtapon ng recycling, ng furniture. So, sa Canada, ganito ang sitwasyon. Sa Pilipinas, hindi ko na alam kung anong sitwasyon sa Pilipinas. Pero etong sitwasyon na to ay isa sa mga dahilan tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina kung bakit napakalaki ng binabayad na tax ng mga mamamayan. At dahil nga nakakapagod ang swimming, actually, pag napanood nyo sa personal yung swimming, sobrang nakakapagod talaga siya. Ako kahit panoorin ko, hindi ko siya ma-imagine. Kasi magpapabalik-balik ka. Tapos may part pa doon na kung saan magdadive ka ng malalim. Tapos yung part na ang dami nilang mga activities na ginagawa sa swimming. Tinatry ko lang na i-vlog yung kapag time na lang ni Lance sa ni Lincoln para walang nadadamay sa vlog. I mean, walang ibang nahagip yung camera sa vlog, kundi si Lincoln lang o si Lance, ganon. So, pag pinapanood ko siya, nakakapagod talaga siya. Ako, nung bata ako, hindi ako natutong lumangoy. So, masaya ako para sa mga anak ko na natuto silang lumangoy. Etong swimming lesson na to, hanggang sa bahala na sa magulang kung hanggang saan mo pwedeng dalhin yung swimming lessons. Kasi pag tinapos mo tong lesson na to hanggang age 16 yata o 17, parang ganon, yun yung pataas na ng pataas yung level mo. Yung level nila lang sa Lincoln, pataas na siya ng pataas na malapit na silang makapunta sa lifeguard na magiging certified na silang maging lifeguard. Gusto kong matapos nila to hanggang sa maging certified lifeguard sila. Para kapag nag-college sila at gusto nilang mag-part-time, marami silang options. Pwede rin nilang gawing option pag gusto nilang nag-part-time yung swimming instructor o kaya lifeguard nga, 'di ba? 'Yon. May mga ibang sports na na-try noon yung mga bata tulad ng soccer. Isa na rin yun sa mga mahabang ginawa nila yung soccer. Curling yun. Yung curling, yung kinikinis yung yelo. Yun. Pero eto talagang swimming ang pinaka nagustuhan nila.
Chicken nuggets or cheeseburger?
Chicken nuggets, please.
For all of the combos or just for one?
Just the one.
And the dipping sauce for that?
Remind me what you have again, please.
A what?
Remind me what's available.
It's barbecue, sweet and sour cream onion, hot roasted honey, and habanero.
Sour cream and onion, please.
Can you see?
Yeah.
The onions, I'd like to try double cheese.
We're not in a position to try it. We're not at home. Is this open or is it still sealed?
Ito ang ngiti ng tagumpay. Naka-McDonald's na naman. Swimming. Tapos McDonald's. Yan, ang ngiti ng tagumpay. Ito naman, kain to ng chicken nuggets. Kakain niya, hindi... Ano ka na ba? Excited ka na, Cookie? Kakain niya ng nuggets. Kagagaling lang ni Cookie sa salon, oh. Tignan niyo naman. Nagsalon yarn. Ha? Salon yarn.
What's a salon
Tignan.
yarn?
She went to the salon.
Yarn is just
Salon.
an expression.
Yeah, yarn is just an expression. Salon yarn. Tignan nyo, oh. Oh, parang bagong aso. Wow! Magkano ginastos sa'yo ni Daddy? It doesn't matter how much Daddy paid for it because Daddy loves you so much. It doesn't matter, Cookie. Huh? I heard what
Took me
Daddy's...
a few hours at work to pay for it.
Wow, look at that. And then Daddy, on the top of it, monthly have to pay insurance for you. Wow, Daddy loves you so
Anytime
much.
I see anyone with like dogs, I'm like, oh my god, they're rich.
You have to pay insurance, vet visits,
All the
salon,
trimming, all the accessories, the food.
the accessories, food, treat.
And you know what? The dishes are still dirty. The house is a mess. What's she doing?
Yeah, Cookie, what you doing?
Clean the toilets.
Yeah, what you doing, Cookie? What you doing?
Clean the toilets by
Look at Cookie's fur. Like, look at that. Wow. It's like a fur ball. Look. Super fine. Wow. Really pretty. Oh, you're done with your nuggets? You want more? Yeah. Kain tayo. That's better.
Graham. Cut some hair.
I'm gonna take a video of this house. This there is so nice. So, andito na kami sa bahay ng biyanan ko at ano kami, tawag dito, magpala kami ng, ayan na si Mushi, nag-uumpisa na siyang magpala. So, itong snow na to, wala na siyang planong huminto. Matindi na talaga. Mag-ingat po tayo. Ganda, no? Ang ganda niya panoorin. Ganda niya tignan. Tara na. Grabe. Kapal lang snow. Buhay Canada. Magpala ng snow. Ay. Kukuhanin ko lang yung scraper.
Actually,
There's the scraper. I'll get it.
I'll bring it over here, please. Yeah.
Yeah. Kuhanin ko yung scraper. Ito yung scraper. Pang sudsud siya ng snow. Mabigat siya. Gusto niyo ba tumira dito sa Canada? Ito. Kung saan ang winter ay sobrang haba, mahaba pa sa summer. Ang summer ay grabe ang ikli, 2 buwan. Ay ka, grabe. Moshi, I got the scraper. Moshi, I got the scraper.
Alright, thank you.
I'll scrape it for you. You want me to scrape it or what?
No, this stuff doesn't need scraping. It's all over there that needs to be scraped.
Where?
The edge around where the sidewalk.
Huh? Okay, don't talk.
Yeah.
Let's just do it. I need to change my gloves.
Okay.
Moshi, I'll leave this here to cool off, okay?
Yeah.
What do you want me to scrape? What do you want me to scrape?
I'm gonna scrape. Just stick it over there for now. No,
Why did you buy your this heavy of a scraper?
it's a good quality superior. That's why.
9 to 11 years.
I can trade them away. You get to the ours if you want.
No. I scrape all the time. No. See if your phone can charge with Mushi. Come on, Chucky. We're on a different forest right now. We haven't been here for like 9 years. And I can't really take a video for too long because then my hands will be really cold. And the boys are playing Pikmin. I had a really good memories in this forest with my sister. This is an extremely big forest. Every year, schools go here for field trip. Great place for hike, snowshoeing, and as you can see, tracks for ski.
Mommy,
Yes, hon.
how did you do this?
Today is January 14, 2026, Saturday. We actually have no plans to be here. What happened is that we just got close to this area. That's very pretty.
We're gonna go back here. The reason why I have a really fond memories of this forest is because we got lost in here. So then I learned when you go in a forest, you should always wanna stay in the tracks. And that was winter when we got lost. The boys were so young back then. I think they were in kindergarten. We were with Ate. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Come on, Cookie. Lincoln, you're walking too fast. What? Go, Cookie. You won't. Mushy, Mushy! Mushy, you might not get out! Mushy, don't! Mushy! There's a hole here you can fit. Mushy!
No, my bones are too big.
Okay.
You guys,
You want to try, Lance?
You go in there, Lance.
Say tabi-tabi po. Mushy, say tabi-tabi po.
Dabi po.
Go, Lance, hurry up.
Step in there. Step in there.
Say tabi-tabi po.
The claws are going to grab you and pull you up. Lean back. Lean back.
There's people. Hurry up.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna try it.
Who's going to
Okay.
try?
I'll try that.
Okay. Here.
Lincoln, say tabi-tabi po.
Just go inside really quick.
Oh, they got aso.
Yeah.
You have to keep moving. Okay,
Phone down.
let's go. We have to hurry up. They have aso. Oops. You okay?
Yo, I'm okay.
Take your time. Take your time. Okay. And there's the pond. Boys, you have a picture here when you were little, but it's during summer. Do you need to go to the pond to catch that pigman? Or we don't have to? Oh, the oldest tree is in here.
What?
The oldest tree, like 100-year-old tree.
Where?
Cookie. It's somewhere here.
Look. Oh, wait, that's not
The tree is 100 years old.
all these.
No, there's a... I think that one in the front.
Oh, wow. Very nice.
Ay,
Where's the oldest tree?
here.
That one.
Here.
That one's colossal.
This one, 100-year-old tree.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I believe it.
I wonder
100 years old.
what
Which
place
way to
can
get
it
out of
be?
here?
Speaking of which, how bad.
100 years old tree. There's the pond there. We're gonna skip the pond because Lincoln's phone is dying now. Ay, wait, Cookie. Yeah. Yeah, I hear the creaking. I miss March break camping already.
I'll book a site.
So, mommy,
See the
so
pizza.
Michi, there is actually a way to run exe files on Chromebook. It requires some sketchy terminal stuff.
Yeah, using wine
Yes. And ground controls doesn't need what you do in the first place, so even if it was that desperate, I would do it. Plus, I wouldn't fool around with something that can potentially self-destruct the computer.
And there's one last thing I just shoved it in the toaster oven.